Hello and welcome to the Faculty Orientation and Training. My name is Jeremiah Braun and I've been working with Tom Johnson, your Dean of Distance Education, to create this training for you. I am an instructional designer and I've been lending my expertise to this project. The first thing I want to mention is that I am very impressed with the services that GCD offers to its students. You and the team that you work with very obviously have a passion for raising up and empowering Christian leaders. You are already on the road to success and demonstrating excellence in your craft. Many of the practices we present are already being applied by many of you. This training is in place to get everyone on the same page and empower you and consequently GCD as a whole to take the next steps in providing a truly exceptional learning experience to all of your students. This course starts with a training module that takes you through two different students' learning experiences. The reason we chose to contrast two different experiences is to give you a solid understanding of why it is imperative to apply the best practices in your courses. We want you to connect on a deeper or even an emotional level with what your students face while learning online. You will start the training module by clicking on the link titled A Tale of Two Students right here below this introductory video. Once it loads up, you can pause, start, play, pause, and navigate with the play bar freely. If you need to leave the training before it is finished, you can use the table of contents to jump back to where you left. Accessing the table of contents is through the TOC button down here in the bottom, or with the tiny arrows that are at the top. One thing to note is that as you come to videos, you can click the full screen button so that you can see everything that is in the video. So like such, click play to start the video, and it will start up with Tom. And then click full screen, and you can see everything that Tom is showing you in the screen capture. At the end of the video, it will automatically close and the slide will continue. Once you have completed the training and need to exit, click the X in the bottom right corner or simply close the tab. The X here or close the tab. It will take you right back to the lesson that you had started. The GCD Best Practices and Faculty Expectations document is provided, as well as the Facilitator's Toolbox, which is a compilation of the best practices that are presented. As you navigate through the rest of the course, such as going back to lessons, you will notice that it follows the same chapters from the story. Each chapter contains how-to videos that will explain how to implement each best practice presented in your own course. In order to practice with the content, you need to open up a second tab with one of your courses loaded up. You can then exit the course while you reference the how-to videos, such as a course that you're designing. You can do everything that Tom is doing here, and simply just go back and forth, kind of like a reference to a database of information. This hands-on activity as you update your course functions as the application portion of this training. I hope you enjoy the course and that it helps you design and facilitate excellent courses.